All of us need breaks. Would you agree with that? It's amazing how easy it is to get caught up in the different aspects of the life we all have. We get so busy being busy, we tend to not listen to life shouting at us to slow down, pause, take a break, recoup. For some, including maybe you, we take a break, which is really not a break, because we don't remember where the mental on and off switch is. You know, I believe negative stress increases when we don't listen to our mind, our emotions, and our physical being talking to us. All of us need to make sure we have the word relax in our vocabulary. You see, regrouping provides you with relaxation, entertainment, giving your mind a break, refreshing your dream. Order to your life can be examined, unraveling all your emotions. And then it provides you with a pause that refreshes. Recharging your life is one of those things you know you need to do, but it becomes another one of those needed conversations you have with yourself. Agree to it, but not follow up with it. How often? How often do you not listen to yourself when you know the conversation you're having with yourself is very, very, very important? Stress will always be a part of your life. But when you're unwilling to listen to what your life is saying to you, it has its ways of making you listen. Your life is always working to protect you from whom? You. It's you who chooses not to listen to what you don't want to hear. Then you wonder why your life gets out of sync and you experience some sort of a breakdown. A breakdown occurs when your mind is not being listened to and your emotions won't shut up. The noise is too loud. To protect yourself from reaching a breaking point, here's my suggestion. Pause when you feel your emotions are rising. Open yourself to listening to life's messages. Invest your life in living today to tomorrow. Never allow procrastination to control you. And there must be a manageable pace. Breakdowns come in so many different forms. But one thing is a fact. Breakdowns are controlled by overwhelming uncertainty. You must remember, you're either controlling your life or your life is controlling you. One of these two is always controlling the direction of your life. I say this over and over again. The more your life is controlling you, the more out of control your life is. This is one of my major concerns today. The uncertainty most are struggling with today is increasing in their reactive living. When you are living with reactive living, what happens? Reasoning is replaced by uncertainty. Been there? Everything seems difficult to manage. Been there? Always worrying about something. Been there? Can't seem to maintain focus. Been there? Tension becomes a daily feeling. Have you been there? Internally, your fright increases. You felt that? Vulnerable to emotional surges. I bet you've experienced that. Energy is being depleted. You're always tired. You being able to control your life is critical to you being able to manage the flow and the pace of your life. The less control you have over your life, the more you increase the stress you're feeling. So, here are 7 keys to controlling your life. Key number 1, complete what you start. Don't pile up your emotional vault with incompleteness. You see, anything you don't complete increases your reactive living. Key number 2, organize your life around positive happenings. Without an organized life, you will live with stacks of clutter staring at you and increasing your tiredness. The result? Reactive living. Key number 3. Notice when you feel yourself starting to live from your emotions up, not your mind down. You will feel when this is happening. Slow down, take that deep breath, pause, and reflect on what is happening. Key number 4. Talk yourself through tough moments. Remember, anything you don't confront, you validate. When things are left incomplete, you increase your living from your emotions up. Completing removes the fog and allows you to see from today to tomorrow. Key number 5. Reach out to one whom you trust if you can't handle your life struggle by yourself. None of us are capable of managing our life on our own. There are times when you need to reach out for a hand of support. That hand can be a life ring. Key number 6. Open your life with personal honesty to what is causing you to live, giving your control away. There's always a reason why you're fearful of being honest with yourself. When you aren't honest with yourself, you will give in to the opinions of others. Key number 7. Learn how to live your life from the inside out. This is the major lesson you must learn to have control of your life. Living from the outside in is when what is happening around your life leaves you at the mercy of others. You must always remember, there are those who stand outside your life, who are just waiting to take control of your life. When you choose to live from the outside in, it is no longer your life. You become a puppet others play with to make you into what they want you to be. You only have one life to live on this earth. Make it your life.